there anytime, anywhere. So now, I will teach you also how to do the boosting of posts, right? But this time, you need to invest a little amount of money. Hindi sa akin, kay Mark Zuckerberg naman. Sa Facebook diretso, ha? Okay. Puntahan natin yung isang account ko para ano.
Apply nyo sa ano?
Ano po?
Yung pag nag-insert ng picture na re-resize mo pa yun, napapalit o napapalaki? Hindi na.
Hindi na. Depende sa size ng picture mo nung ginawa mo siya.
So, yes. Tapos, ano ba yun? Isang picture lang pwede ilagay doon sa isang note?
Sa isang note? Note or link? Hindi ko mag-get. Saan ba doon?
Di ba, gagawa ka ng notes?
Notes.
Mag-i-insert ka ng photo doon.
Ito, maraming photo. Pwede madami. Ito, notes to, di ba? So, marami siyang picture. So, kahit ilang picture, pwede mong i-insert some notes. Okay? Tapos, punta na tayo dito, no? Let's say, for example, this is, okay. Let's say, for example, punta natin yung pinost natin kanina. Then, I will teach you how other promote their products online using Facebook ads. Okay? Oh my God. Na-block na ako. Post unavailable. Boost unavailable. Wait ha, hanap ako ng isang account pa. Okay. Buksan ko yung isang account ko. Ha? Hanapin ko muna siya, yung ano niya.
Pag marami ka,
Yan, isang account. Oh my God. Ha? There's slight misspelled your username. Yeah. Oh. Ulit. Yun. Ay! Ba't iba? Iba sa... Ito yung dati. Ulit. Hindi yan Wait lang. Hindi, username kasi yung gamit ko pag nakalimutan ko yung email address. Ano ba yung email address ko na ginamit dito? Too much account. Kaya nga kailangan, Ay, hindi pa eh. Anyways, wait yung isang account na lang.
Ang dami na account ni Apps
Apply mo ka na rin, don't need that, hot papa.
Ha?
Don't need that, hot papa that.
Okay. So, ito na lang muna. So, let's say for example, ano ba yung mga page na nandito? Let's say, Acai Berry. Ito tayo kay Acai Berry. Okay. So, let's say for example, it's unavailable yung boost. Kasi, maraming mga maraming mga violation kay Facebook. Ano pa bang isang Facebook account?
At least nalalaman mo.
Kaya nga naituturo ko na kagad sa'yo na huwag nang gawin. Try ko nga. Anyways, sige. Ito yung isang account ko hindi ko lang maano yung
Pasal man doon dito.
yung boost but who among you has the idea how to boost the ads? Sino po ditong may pwede ipa-show na lang natin yung account nyo kasi hindi na siya available na yung boost ads Apply yung sa'yo.
Ito kasi lagi nag-boost.
Ha? Sino pwede mag-login na may page? Nakita ko lang paano yung mag-boost ng ads. May ka? May page ka na? May post na sa page mo?
Pero hindi ko pa na-use.
Sige, okay lang. Papakita natin how. Ba't hindi natin itutuloy? Ha?
Teka na po, check ko ba?
Sige. Para makita ng lahat how can we do it.
Mike, nasaan po na Mike?
Mayroon po. Sige po. Sir, ito ka.
Mike.
Kaya apply daw dito. Hindi sa'yo.
Yan po. Sino pa may mga tanong while nagla-login pa?
Apply nyo yung di ba dapat before yung maintenance website.
Yes.
Di ba dito o-order nagkaroon sa Pilipinas ship.
Dito orderin sa Pilipinas is ship.
Pero hindi, already. Pero yung maintenance ko,
Oh yes, yeah, of course. Kasi, kaso nga lang, wait pag dito ka, pag nag-login ka, gamitin mo Philippines na flag, huwag Dubai. Kasi charge ka, Dubai price.
Yan ba yung page mga
Magkano po yung page nyo apply?
Nahuli.
Sampulan natin.
huli-huli
yung pala eh.
Saan ba? Ito ba yun, sir?
Yan. Page mo ba yan?
Hindi. Humble makikita yun.
Hindi, yung page mo. Hindi mo alam saan ka pupunta. Ayun yung unang products. Tayo yan, di ba? Yan, mas alam ko pa yung account mo sa'yo, ha? Hindi, okay. So, okay. So, let's say, for example, eto na yung pinost mo. Supercharge talaga yung ano mo na, pinost mo. Di ba, lumama?
selfie pa.
Okay. Doon sa post po ninyo sa baba, kung mapapansin nyo, may nakalagay boost post. Okay? I will show you how others maximize this, feature ng Facebook. But it requires you a little amount of money para ma-advertise ng maganda yung business nyo. Okay? Kasi ganito, in our business, since we are doing it part-time, maraming nagsasabi na they cannot maximize yung pagbebenta kasi they don't have enough time anymore. That is why meron tayong online strategy. And at the same time, you will now love doing it pag alam mo paano gamitin yung feature na to ng Facebook. How? Example, dito sa pag-boost ng post, parang mag-a-advertise ka na si Facebook ang magpapatakbo. Okay? So first is, maggagawa tayo ng audience. Sino ba yung target mo na makakakita ng ads mo? Example, pangalanan natin ditong Supercharge. Okay. Tapos, let's say your target Facebook users na makakakita ng ads mo are only coming from United Arab Emirates. Pwede ba rin lagyan ng ibang country? Let's say Philippines. Okay, Philippines and UAE only. You can put that, you can choose that. Then age. Let's say, bawal to sa below 18 or pwede sabihin mo na lang adult kasi hindi pa naman nangangailangan ng supercharge yung mga 20, di ba? Siguro mayroong 30 hanggang 65 pataas. O yun, mga ideal age na that they need supercharge, right?
65.
Of course, only men. Pwede din naman women. But all. Naka-ano kasi naka-default to sa sistema. But you can choose either men or women. Or let's say all. Interest. So, what are the interests? Sexual. Sexual revolution. Na enhancement. Enhancement. Ano ba? 'Di ba parang ang hirap, parang nakakaya mag-type naman dito. Basta anything, just type the interest related to the product you want to be promoted. Okay? Wait, because we're live. Okay, let's say for example, you put 4 to 10 interest already. Okay? Basta energy booster. Energy boost. Energy. Okay. Let's say energy. Energy development. Yun. Anything, what we call this one, interest that most of the people are looking at in the internet. Then you save that one. Once you save that, okay, makikita mo yan dito the summary. Then after that, you set a budget. Okay. Minimum budget for the ads is 3 dirhams per day. How much is 3 dirhams per day? 30. Parang nasa 30 pesos. What is 3 dirhams, right? Minimum ng metro lang yan dito. Correct? So, hindi mo na kailangan bumiyahe to promote your products or your business. You just do it using Facebook. Let's say, for example, papatakbuhin natin yung ads mo ng 1 linggo, so you'll be needing 21 dirhams, right? Okay. So, imagine, in 7 days, okay, and you have a budget of 21 dirhams, minimum estimated people that can see your ads is 1,800 people. Those who are living in Philippines and United Arab Emirates, aged from 30 to 65 above, with an interest of, you know it already. Right? So now, therefore, the market you are targeting is, targeted. You are the one who choose the market, who can see your ads. Hindi siya makita ng mga below 18 na mga bata. Kung sino lang yung sinet mo na market, yun lang makakakita. Diba? Those who are living in UAE and Philippines with that age bracket. Then after that, you set a currency. Okay? Okay? Dirhams. I think may naka-register ka na ng card dito, right?
Hindi ko sure.
Meron ka ng payment dito na ni-register. The moment you click that boost, automatic the Facebook will review if it is within the policy or not. Because there are some policies. Bawal po yung picture ng before and after na nagpapakita ng katawan na malaki tapos lumiit and the word before and after itself. Bawal, there's so many text in the picture. You just promote the product itself. Yun lang ang gusto ni Facebook. No nudity, walang mga sexy body and all these things. Bawal po yun. So kapag ganon, yun kasi ang nangyari sa akin kaya hindi na ako makapag-boost. But I request now Facebook to clear my violations. Then, once you click boost, automatic Facebook will approve. Your ads now will run all throughout online 24/7 in 7 days with an estimated expenses of 21 dirhams only for 7 days. See? Very wise na pag-market that you didn't need to invite your friends to like your post, invite your friends to see that one. So, kahit sino makakakita, depende sa tinarget mo na market. The more na mataas yung budget mo na inilagay dyan, tingnan nyo ha, let's say, titriplehin natin yung budget. Gawin natin 63. Magiging 5,900 yung minimum na makakakita and 15,000 people maximum. Estimated. Okay? Yes, apply.
Apply niyo yung mode of payments pa paano yun?
Credit card.
Kapag may mag-appear dyan na
Yes, meron. Pag wala ka pang na-register na card in your account, automatic Facebook will ask you to add payment method.
Okay, the moment na
Visa or
Yeah,
Mastercard.
Visa, Mastercard.
Kasi may nabibili naman kasi, alam mo,
Randy, try mo na.
credit card.
Virtual credit
Baka
card.
yung binibili lang yung
Yes.
lalagyan lang.
You can use that. Okay? Basta may Master and Visa na logo. They will accept it. Any question? So, imagine minimum of 3 dirhams a day budget. You can run now your paid ads on Facebook that you can target perfect market for your business. Right? So that's the wisest thing you can do on Facebook. You need to invest. Kesa naman, imagine mo, kung mano-mano mong kakausapin yung 5,900 katao na yan, magkano gagastusin mo? It would be more than 63 dirhams. Right?
Apply, check mo nga yung 21, yung kanina.
21,
Yung sa dirhams.
21. Sorry.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit may ano na yan.
Hindi.
Sa YouTube, pwede
Yes po.
may boost po.
7 days yun.
Sa YouTube.
YouTube may boost.
Ay, ano ba to?
Wala. Kasi
Baliktad kasi sa kanila. Ay, ano ba yan?
21 muna.
21. Yan.
Yan.
1.8.
Sige nga, apply. Boost natin.
I-boost natin.
Testing.
Click testing ha.
Isa number mo ba yung taas?
Oh.
Sure ka?
Oh, sige natin. Gusto ba?
Supercharge naman
Submitting your promotion.
Nakahubad?
Wala ka. You need to register a card.
Okay, so card na.
wala. Wala ka naman.
Nakahinga.
Hindi, tataka ako bakit sabi niyo
Kasi minsan dito may ano eh, may ad yan.
May additional charges kaya yan sa card.
Sa ano po?
Sa card.
No additional charges. Kung magkano lang po, yun ang sinacharge sa card. Yes, up.
Photos lang pwede, hindi pwede video.
Pwede video.
Pwede video.
Basta, ang gawin nyo po, terms and good conditions, basahin nyo muna lahat. Yung ano, yung mga, para hindi po kayo maban sa pagpo-boost. Kagaya po sa ibang tao dyan. Sa akin.
Sir, pag naban yung boost mo, yung payment mo, still nakuha nila.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Pag dinecline nila yung ads mo, hindi ka naman babawasan sa card. Kasi i-review nila yan within 24 hours. Then you will be notified if your ads is running now or hindi pa. Then monitor mo magkano na yung kinain. Magkano na yung tumakbo. Mayroon niyang monitoring lahat. Ilan na yung nag-click, ilan na yung nag-watch, ilan na yung nag-like, ilan na nag-share, ilan nag-comment, magkano na yung nabayaran. Everything will be monitored. Makikita mo.
Plus kung if you want to continue.
Make sure na bullet na pwede kang
Pwede mo i-renew yung boost mo ulit. Yung pag may naban ka, you need to request it. You need to email and do the
Gano'n kabilis sa yung response nila?
ng
Gano'n kabilis sa
response ng
nila
Facebook.
sa inyo?
Hindi pa sila nagre-response kasi kanina lang din ako So I tried to boost in my other account kasi last time, pwede pa yun eh. Ina-detect siguro nila that this person is just pareho lang. So na may ano pa ako.
May picture na.
Yun. Hindi po, doon mismo sa help center. Okay? So, this is how to boost your ads sa Facebook. So, you can create a very attractive, creative ads, picture ads, then promote it on Facebook using your page. The best is page palagi kasi sa page lang naman nag-boost. Not in other platform like account and group, you cannot boost your ads. Only in Facebook page because page is public. So it's more viral to promote or market your product and services on Facebook page rather than in other platform. Okay? So, any question? May mga tanong pa po? Yes, ma'am.
Yung kung may lang kung ano lang yung i-boost mo, yun lang yung hindi lahat ng nasa
Yes
page.
po, hindi lahat ng nasa page. Pero ang maganda, pag binoost mo kasi yan, makikita mo, pwede nilang makita dito. Pwede makita ng kahit sino. Ito, yan. Then tapos pag kinlik nila, mapupunta sila sa page mo. Tapos pwede mo makita. Paano ba makikita yung boost post? Okay lang, okay, I'll go na to my account. Sa boost post kasi, makikita mo to, may nakalagay sponsored. Yan. Ito yung example ng isang ads na naka-boost. May nakalagay sponsored. Yan. If you can see a post with this kind of description or post sponsored, it means that is a boosted post. So if you see this one, pwede mong i-like yung page, pwede mong i-click yung picture. Pag click mo yung picture, mapupunta ka sa website nila or any landing page. We call it landing page. Okay? Then, yun po. Okay? Questions? Some more questions? Ano yung question po kanina? Yung situation sa may Uno Store, Philippines? Ano po yan?
Yung pag nag-maintain.
Okay, repeat purchase. Okay, try natin ha. Let's say for example, I want to maintain my account using my Uno Store, but I want it to be delivered to Philippines if it is possible. So, papalitan muna natin yung country ng Philippines. Okay, para mapalit yung flag, or you can click that one directly. Then after that, let's say for example, I will buy coffee. Okay. Yan. Once you click that, you can see it in the My Cart. Then after that, yes. Okay. Let's say pick up. Okay, or delivery. Delivery. Check it out. Okay. Mapapansin mo, mayroon ka kasing sinet na address. You edit that one first. Or you can use this one. Ito. Ano papansin mo, this is your own ID number to credit the points to your own account. Okay, let's say for example, I use the previous address na lang. Okay, this one. Then finalize order. Okay, mayroon siyang, ito yung kini-question namin.
Pero may
Because
minimum.
There's no minimum as long as you're willing to pay for the shipping.
Pero pag
So this one, we need to correct this because this supposedly not US dollar, maybe.
pero pag 2,000 dirham, 2,000 pesos, wala na shipping cost.
Yeah, that's for the my.
So ang gagawin mo dyan,
Try natin ha. Magkano ba yung 2,000 sa dollar?
50 dirham charge.
Gawin natin 10.
$50 US.
Gawin natin 20 box ng kape. Click update. Once it is updated, yeah, 127, but still there is a shipping charge. Don't you worry, I will ask this question. Because supposedly there's no shipping charge, right, for the minimum. The 2.5, I think 3,000 or 2.5 for the maintenance. Okay? Yeah, you can use this one still. Matcha-charge ka pa rin based doon sa, tingnan natin na yung distributor price ng kape. It's 635, right? Chinyarge ba tayo ng 635? Yeah. Automatic 635 per box in charge.
hindi pwedeng ang ipambayad dyan is yung available funds mo sa account.
Pag available funds, you don't do it here. You do it in your own back office. Alam niyo ba paano gagawin na yun sa sariling back office? Everyone, you know already how to do it? Na i-deliver sa separate address. Pag nag-check out ka, there's an option there. Where is your option where you want to deliver the product?
Pero, pwede ba yung ipa-ship din? Yung personal, sa personal account?
What you mean ipa-ship?
Sa
Opo.
Pilipinas?
Yes, ship to your address.
Wala dito ako nag-purchase, automatic ship to sa
Yes, you can do it.
libre na rin yun.
Pwede po.
Pero hindi pa rin muna pwede dahil hindi pa.
Yeah, this one. I need to correct this one. The shipping rates. Yeah, not for now.
Pero yung ba sir, yung mag-ano ka sa UBC, halimbawa, libre na yung pick up pagka dun sa isang center doon, halimbawa may office dun sa
Yes.
halimbawa,
Pwede na po.
dito mo ginawa, sa Lucena office mo papipick up,
Oo.
wala nang charge yun sa shipping.
Pag-pick up doon sa if there is, kasi kagaya niyan, for pick up yung location, may nakalagay kasi dito. Dalawa lang ngayon ang pick up location natin. Because premier po tayo, you cannot do transaction in the local areas or branches. Yeah. So, any question? Yes, apply.
Di ba magkakaroon ng direct selling traffic from a big purchase?
Yes po.
Saan po makikita yung
Income.
income?
Yes, here in your own. Ito. Dito mo siya makikita. But the crediting of your income commission, but I will confirm this one. This is part of the email I'll be sending. Is doon mismo sa natin back office ipapasok.
Ay, kasama sa e-wallet?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I co-confirm ko po pala. Yan muna. Kasi, I don't know if it will be counted as part of our sa ranking, right? So, I will confirm that one. But I believe dito po siya muna ipapasok. Kasi meron po tayo ditong web store transaction. You can see everything here. Namo-monitor po lahat. Okay, sino pa po may mga katanungan? Before we will formally close our online marketing training 3 sessions. Meron pa po ba? Do you have something to clarify?
Kailan po ulitin?
Ano po?
Kailan po ulitin?
Kailan uulitin? Next year ulit. Pag balik ako ng Dubai. Sino pa po? Yes po.
So, it's not confirmed yet if how much minimum order para may ma-avail rate, free shipping.
Pag repeat purchase,
Uh,
kasi pag sa Philippines po kasi, pag bumibili using Uno Bilis Servicio with a minimum of 2,000 pesos, it's free shipping na locally. But since if you will be using this and you are located here in Dubai and you have an Uno Premier account, yun po yung part na i-confirm pa natin. But I will give you an update doon sa group na gagawin po natin. So don't miss to fill up the attendance sheet there para we can invite you for our group mentoring there para I can feed you all the information doon mismo sa loob ng group natin. Yes, Apla.
Yung price lang nakalagay doon kapag nabibili yung customer.
Yeah, SRP. Selling price.
SRP pala.
Yes.
Pero din stock is right.
Walang stockist price. Selling price lang. So maganda doon, avoid yung utang, di ba? Walang tatawad. Okay? Sino pa po may mga gusto i-clarify? Yes po, ma'am.
Kasi yung last year, I tried yung lumang
Okay.
rice store.
Yes po.
So, nasa lumang, sa local.
Okay.
So, paano ko yung convert for Premier?
Pero, yung account nyo nag-subscribe kayo is local account or yung premier account?
Premier pa.
Paano paano local?
Kung paano.
Hindi, you can try to log in. I-log in nyo pa rin dito sa link na to. Kasi sa local is only by unostore.uno1.biz. Parang gano'n, no?
Try din po ako mag-login dito, hindi po siya nagano. Kasi last year pa po yun. Ang alam ko ko lang.
Pag last year na, I think expire na yung
Expire
subscription
na
mo.
po siya. Ayun, kaya expire lang po ngayong 30 January. Pero paano ko po i-ano ng Microstore?
Doon po mismo kayo papasok, mag-login kayo dun sa premier account ninyo.
Nag-try na po ako pero
Okay, you message Uno customer,
Valid pa naman kahit nag-expire na eh.
Yes.
Until further notice.
kasi yung link na na-register niya dati dun sa
sa
local,
local.
hindi sa premier na.
Kasi last year pa yun, wala pa yun.
Wala pa yung premier. Yeah. Pwede po ninyong i-message para malipat po yung link doon sa for premier. Kasi ang makikita ng mga client mo doon, mga local packages, hindi premier packages. Yes.
Thank you po.
Okay, welcome. Sino pa po may mga clarifications? To ship to India? Yeah, it's very easy now, my friend. Huh? So, you just use this one. You send the link to your friend there. They click. They have credit card. They can buy now. Yeah.
You can buy the products through local credit card in India?
Yeah, you can use the local credit card in Delhi. Yeah, either Master or Visa card. Huh?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So they will deliver it?
Yeah, they will deliver and the products will be coming either from Dubai or from Philippines direct to India.
Okay.
So you can now recruit all your friends there in India.
Yeah, sure.
Target those who have credit cards, huh? Tell them, turn your credit cards into business now. So, yeah, you can make use of that. Turn your credit cards into business. Pag kinlink nila, pasok na kagad sila.
Yung unopremier.com.
Yes, apply.
Yung unopremier.com, pwede i-link yan.
Pwedeng,
Link o different packages yun.
anong unopremier.com? Yung mismo mother website. Pag nilink mo kasi doon, kahit pag mga hindi siya, alam mo yung, hindi mo kilala, you cannot get the benefit of getting the clients from there. Tama? Kasi ito, sariling mong ano to online shop na to payment transaction na yung nandito Kumbaga, kaya nga sabi ko, beneficial mo pag may page ka na may notes ka. Kasi pag may mga tanong sila about the business, yung notes mo nang papakita mo. Yung page mo na.
I-link mo yan kasi yung marketing plan ng investor.
Yes. You can put that marketing plan in your own page. Gumawa ka ng area doon or an application na wherein yun makikita or notes na makikita yung marketing plan ng US, marketing plan of this country. You can post a video there. Then, anytime may link ka na doon ng how to join and buy the package. Then put the link of your own My Uno Store link shop. My online shop. Okay? So you can do
Yung purchase yun yung sinentay na meron kayo.
ang ano po?
Or meron yan default na history.
Yes. Yes. Yun. So you can monitor everything. Okay? Some more questions? Yes.
Yung kung sa halimbawa, I have a friend in Philippines.
Yes.
She was made in.
Yes.
So, they will just deliver packages to her in the Philippines.
Sa Philippines.
How we make the business, they can report to the office.
Saan po sila located? In
Las Piñas.
sa Las Piñas. They're very close to our BGC office. Yes. They can do that. If they have credit card, ibigay, bato mo lang yung sariling My Uno Store link mo sa kanila. They can now buy the package there. Then they can just pick up the package to our BGC office. As long as they have credit card. Or if they have credit card, maganda kasi yun pag ito, wala na silang kawala sa'yo. Diba? Pag nag-transact na sila, nagbayad na sila using credit card, pagpunta nila sa office, pick up na lang yung package. Diba? Kasi baka mamaya, pag papuntay mo pa sa office, mag-schedule ka, mag-antay ka pa, meron pa masabay, busy ako, hindi pa muna, hindi na matuloy. Oo. So at least that is the safer choice now, that you can give the link, then the moment they click the link, automatically will be under you. Okay? Yeah, placement. So I will give you an updates about our My Uno Store in our group page in Facebook. I will invite you one by one starting next week because last 3 weeks, grabe talaga. Hectic ang schedule ng artista. Shooting dito, shooting doon. Yeah? And of course, I'd like to thank everyone for attending and I would be very happy if I see you learning and applying the principles you have learned from Facebook marketing, kasi the more na marami tayong gumagawa nito, the more na mas mapapadali yung business natin, right? Kasi the more many people will see, they're very active on Facebook, so doon natin mapapatunayan that we can really do this business online. Do you get the idea? If most of us here doing the business are actively doing the business of Uno Premier online, so many people on Facebook will be thinking, how can I do that also using Facebook? Because there are so many people who wanted to do online business but they don't know how. So ngayon, dun sa mga basic learning, basic pa lang po yung natutunan ninyo sa Facebook. Imagine just basic. But most of the features na tinuro sa inyo, hindi nyo pa alam. Right? Yung mga notes na yan, boost everything. So yun pa lang mismo yung basic na yun. If you can educate also some of your friends, okay, you're very good in Facebook, you can do this business. Diba? So pag nakita nila na ikaw dati na hindi, ang ginagawa mo lang dati, log in, like, comment, share, and log out, ngayon may nakikita na silang ibang mga strategy mo sa Facebook, they will be amazed. Right? That you are doing business. Then, ngayon, copy-paste ka na lang ng mga script, punta ka sa mga group, so you do it on a daily basis, make it a habit. Diba? Yung iba kasi, gusto nila, sa isang araw, yun na agad lahat gagawin nila. Remember the daily, weekly, and monthly activities. Or, diba, schedule of activities. I hope you're doing that religiously kasi it will help your business talaga. Lalo na sa inyo na mga nagpa-part-time, this is very beneficial kasi ma-maximize yung oras nyo na kahit nasa trabaho, even ako, nagbabiyahe ako, pupunta ako doon sa isang group, pupunta ako sa mga groups na yun, tapos nagme-message ako, may script akong gagawin. Wala lang, open, message, send, open, message, send. Then 20 in 1 hour, pahinga na naman ako. Makikinig naman ng audiobook to learn more. Then after that, maya-maya, after 1 hour ulit, message, send, message, send na naman. So while I'm may training ako, maya-maya, makikita ko na may mga nagre-reply na. See? So that's how to maximize your time. Same with you. Kung nagtatrabaho ka, okay, trabaho, then after that, 15 minutes habit. This is my tip to you. 15 minutes if you want to do it to maximize Facebook or online, every 15 minutes may gagawin ka doon sa activity na tinuro ko sa inyo. 15 minutes lang. After 15 minutes, leave Facebook and do your own task. Trabaho or offline activity, meet your group, train your group, mentoring. Then after that, pag may idle time ulit, punta ulit kay Facebook para hindi masayang yung oras. Hindi yung tipong gusto mo isang araw, upuan lang, gusto mo lahat gagawin na kaagad. No, hindi po ganun. And don't get overwhelmed. Kasi pag na-overwhelm ka, hindi mo na makakontrol yung sarili mo, napapabayaan mo na ngayon yung other activities mo. Hindi dapat ganun. It's a bad habit na. Pag na-overwhelm ka lang sa umpisa. Kasi ang mangyayari noon, sa umpisa ka lang magaling. Then after that, wala na. Diba? So masasayang lang yung inupo mo dito, binalik-balik mo na 3 beses, nakinig ka. So dapat, yung mga basics, simulan mo lang, Gawin daily. 15 minutes habit, 15 minutes habit hanggang sa maging sistema mo na hindi ka papayag na upo ka, wala kang guest, nag-aantay ka sa wala, nga ka lang. E di ngayon, may ginagawa ka na sa Facebook. Visit the group, punta ng mga members, message. 20. After 20, pahinga. And then gawa ka na naman ng other activities. So that's how I do also my daily routine. In the morning, pagising, motivational videos, attraction, listening to audiobooks, di ba? Minsan nakalimutan mag-ilamos, upload sa Facebook, di ba? And tapos visit the group, tingnan yung mga dating messages ko, nag-reply. Pag wala, message ulit. Back to basics, sabi nga kanina sa video training. Right? It doesn't mean na nandun ka na, hindi ka na magpa-back to basic. Back to basic pa rin. Right? So, you learned a lot of things from first, second, and third meeting ba natin?
Yes.
Worth it ba yung pag-attend ninyo?
Yes.
So, we'll be communicating each other through Facebook also on that page, as well as in Periscope. If I'll be having some live video trainings later on, you will be notified if nakafollow po kayo sa Periscope account ko. So para pag nandun ako sa other countries or sa Philippines, if mapag-tripang kong mag-create ng video or I'll be interviewing some other networkers, pwede nyo mapanood and you can learn from it, then we can learn together. Then at the same time, in our Facebook group, I'll be giving you some free video trainings. You will learn a lot from it. You will learn para ma-develop lalo yung natutunan nyo dito ngayon sa 3 sessions po natin. Okay? And I'll be staying in UAE up to the whole month of February. So I might be going back either dadal pa muna ako ng Qatar or diretso ng Nigeria for a month. Then by March, I'll be going back to, April, I'll be going back to Philippines. So in the whole month of February, I don't know sino po yung naka-attend last time ng financial awareness na ginawa ko with the group of Abay na RV. Meron po ba dito? Yeah. So, sino po naka-attend last time? Okay, kayo no? Ilan lang sa inyo dito? Yeah. Kasi last session ko sa Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, and in Al Ain, I do it kasi habang nag-aantay kami. And the response of the distributors are very good because it's truly a different learning curve for them. Kasi hindi namin pinag-usapan ang networking, hindi namin pinag-usapan si Uno, hindi namin pinag-usapan motivation or what, but it's a practical learning how to manage your finances, lalo na for this 2016. Kasi ako, tinuturo ko yun at the same time, ginagawa ko rin siya because that is also partly ina-adjust ko sa sarili ko, right? That is very important kasi once you understand your financial obligation and goals, you will appreciate why there is Uno Premier. Nawa niya siya? Kasi I will show you there what is your current financial status. And why is that so many OFWs working so many years until right now, money is still a problem. Tama? And take note before I will end this, okay, para at least ito, maging motivation din sa part ninyo. 2016, there will be another massive recession. Alam niyo ba yun? Search in the internet, the last recession or crisis in UAE specifically, that was last 2007 to 2009, I think, right?
Yes.
Yes, so, then after that, ngayon, and ang every recession, tumatagal ng minimum of 5 years. Nakuha niya siya? So ngayon, eto yung pinakamatindi, yung 2016. You notice na nagbabagsakan ang presyo ng oil, right? Yung stock market is going down because I'm investing to stock market. So since last quarter of 2015, na-observe ko na talaga nagre-red line yung mga stocks. But that is an advantage on our part na nag-i-invest. Kasi the more na bumabagsak yung stock market, the more na bumibili kami ng madami. Because in investing, you will be investing to company na mga solid na yung performance for the last 10 years. So hindi kami takot. Unlike sa mga nagtitrade. Pag nagtitrade ka, posible kang malugi pag bumagsak bigla at nagbebenta ka. So dapat ngayon, hold muna ang selling, buying. Yun naman sa mga trading. Sa amin naman, wala kaming ginagawang sell in a couple of years. Buying lang. So ngayon, as advantage sa mga nag-i-invest. Paano na lang ngayon on your part? Diba? Kasi pag nag-recession, bumabagsak ang stock market, lahat ng commodities tumataas, kayo ang mismong unang tatamaan. Correct? So that is why don't be too complacent with your job. Kaya sabi ko, you need to learn more about how to maximize your business. Kasi this is the safer route for now. Not for now. Actually, long time ago pa na-realize yan. Network marketing is not perfect, but it is better. Right? Network marketing is not perfect. Wala kang makitang perfect na network marketing companies. Even though we're not saying that it's perfect, but it is better. Kasi dito walang recession. Dito walang tanggapan, walang tanggalan, puro tanggapan. Napapansin nyo ngayon sa mga companies nagtatanggalan na?
Yes.
That's a sign. So kaya kailangan, ngayon pa lang, you need to be aware of your finances. So the question is, how long have you been staying here in Dubai? If I will ask you, worst comes to worst, wag naman sana, bukas uwi ka na ng Pinas, whatever reason it is, are you financially prepared? Most of us will say no. When are you going to say yes? Tama? So marami, hindi nila siniseryoso yung business because they're thinking that Uno Premier is just a small-time business. O ngayon, mamaya pag natanggal ka ng trabaho, what will be your plan B? Saka ka nang hahataw kasi wala ng trabaho. Which is very wrong mindset. Ngayon pa lang, you have the opportunity to do it simultaneously, right? You have your salary. Sustain your lifestyle while building your business. So do it all together. Time management, importante, disiplina sa sarili. It takes a lot of sacrifices. Sakripisyo muna. Konting tulog, okay lang. Huwag naman yung wala ng tulog. Konting tulog lang, okay na yun. Pero hindi naman lifetime, hindi ka matutulog ng sakto sa oras. You need to protect also your health. The good thing, in our company, we have health products. So kailangan, you need to be the product of your own product also. Na dito, kahit nakulang ka sa tulog, may panlaban tayo. Pwede ka mag-ultimasi, magkape, right? So it's a very good food supplement. So nakita mo ngayon yung advantage andito na mismo sa workplace natin or sa business place natin. Diba? So ngayon, do it simultaneously. Maximize anything in the business na pwede mong ma-maximize. Mapa-online or mapa-offline man yan. Do it. You know? Lahat-lahat. Ibigay mo yung best mo. Habang wala ka pa sa tinatawag na low season. Because in our career abroad, there's high season and low season. High season, walang problema, magandang pasok ng salary, may allowances pa, walang masyadong problema sa family. Low season, alam mo yung wala nang natira sa salary mo, may tatawag pa sa iyo, may na-hospital, may na-emergency, may ganito at kailangan mo mangutang. Tama? O sino po dito nagsiset ng emergency fund? Emergency fund. Okay, that's good. You know what is emergency fund? Diba? One step to get out of debt is to set an emergency fund at least $1,000. Alam niyo ba yun? So sa may mga utang dito daw, one step to get out of debt, first step, set an emergency fund of $1,000. Ang emergency fund na yan, hindi pwedeng gamitin pang DSF. Hindi pwedeng gamitin pang bakasyon. You should not do it in anything na you see a sale there, you want to buy it. No. Kailangan, iset mo lang siya, set aside, put it in a bank, then mag-aantay lang siya. Kumbaga, in case of emergency, you're confident, okay, eto. Emergency lang ha, hindi pwedeng emergency na buntis. Sige din? So you need to be well prepared about it. So yun po ang mga pinag-uusapan po namin during the financial awareness seminar. Kasi, I was able to attend series of seminars that in the Philippines way back. That is why I was able to be open-minded to stock market, to property investment, everything. Doon po ako nagsimula talaga lahat. Then, nung napunta ako ng Dubai, nung may nakilala kami dito, so he gave us more information about it and I researched everything online. So kaya nakapag-formulate kami ng isang parang maliit na module lang na napakagandang gawing pang open mind sa mga OFW din. So noong kunanda ko yung last time sa kagabi. Di ba yung nag-message kanina si si DJ, sabi niya good morning upline, effective pa lang pang open mind yung financial awareness mo. May napusakal kami dito thank you po. Diba? So kasi doon, sabi ko nga, ang ginagawa gagawin namin, kasi di ba, kanino po yung group dito na nagkakaroon kayo ng product fair? It's a very good avenue. Actually, kinopya namin yung concept. Doon lang kami sa maliit kasi we're just starting up. Yung mga tinuturuan lang namin dito with Tita Baby, she's here. Ginagawa namin, we invite them to have a test of product sample, punta kayo dito. Kasi nakita ko, mas magaling sila mag-invite pag sinabi may libreng product. So pupunta, di ba? So every members will prepare their own samples of products. Sabon, gupitin ang Ultimacy. So tapos doon, may libre naman na product si Uno na pwede ipagamit pang demo. Then make use of it. So pag nandito na sila, mag-enjoy na ngayon. Walang latagan ng business na mangyayari, yan ang sinabi ko sa kanila. So habang nag-enjoy sila sa product, nag-facial sila dyan, so they can see the comfort every weekend na at least dito, kaysa magbabay ka ng 250 dirham sa labas, dito may 24 karat gold microparticles pa yung product. So ngayon, parang nagkakanda kami ng mini FSO inside. Mayroong about sa product, ito yung mga sakit, blah blah blah, ito naman yung mga beauty kasi marami dito. Basta pang pa-beauty, in na in ka agad, enjoy na enjoy. So habang nag-enjoy sila at mag-aantay silang matuyo yung mukha nila sa Tanaka, magdi-discuss na naman kami ngayon ng financial awareness. Sabi ko, we will not be talking here about our company. We will be talking here about your financial life. So ngayon, open mind. Then after open mind, you can go back next Friday, you can avail another samples if you want. Pagbalik niya, doon ay tinatawag natin kasi na may second follow-up, third follow-up, fourth follow-up. Okay, first exposure, second exposure, third exposure. Minsan kasi, ang isang prospect sumasali in the sixth